Hello student, I am Mayur Gondalia and you are watching School of Physics. Today we will learn about Fourier series of a triangular wave functions. Fourier series of a triangular wave. The nature of a triangular wave is like this. It is defined as f of x equal to minus x for minus pi less than x less than 0 and f of x equal to x for 0 less than x less than pi, or it is defined as f of x equal to modulus of x for minus pi less than x less than pi. First of all, we decide, is it even or odd? If it is even, then coefficient bn equal to 0, and if it is odd, then coefficient a0 and an both are 0. So, by determination of its type, our calculation is reduced. In some cases, from the nature of graph or from expression of the function, we can decide its type. Here, from the nature of the signal or expression of the function, we can found that it is even because it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Yet, if you cannot judge about it, then follow this process. We have first part of the function is f of x equal to minus x for minus pi less than x less than 0. Say equation 1. Putting x equal to minus x, we have f of minus x equal to minus of minus x for minus pi less than minus x less than 0. Now we replace the less than sign by greater than sign. So, we must have changed the sign of minus pi and minus x by its opposite sign. That is, minus pi replaced by pi and minus x replaced by x. Therefore, this interval can be written as f of minus x equal to x for pi greater than x greater than 0. Now rewrite the interval in inverse order, and therefore f of minus x equal to x for 0 less than x less than pi, say equation 2. And for other part of the function, f of x equal to x for 0 less than x less than pi, say equation 3. Take x equal to minus x, and therefore f of minus x equal to minus x for 0 less than minus x less than pi. Now we will change sign of inequality and sign of quantity simultaneously as in first part. Therefore, this interval is written as f of minus x equal to minus x for 0 greater than x greater than minus pi. Now, by inversing the interval, we get f of minus x equal to minus x for minus pi less than x less than 0. Say equation 4. You may found that in equation 1 and 4, intervals are same and their respective functions are also same. Similarly, in equations 2 and 3, intervals are same and their respective functions are also same. That is f of x equal to f of minus x. It means function fx is even, and hence coefficient bn equal to 0. We now calculate coefficients a0 and an only for representation of this function into Fourier series. Let's calculate a0. a0 equal to 1 upon pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. Since f of x is even, therefore the limit of this integral is taken from 0 to pi and it is multiplied by 2. That is, a0 equal to 2 upon pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx. In our problem, f of x equal to x, and therefore a0 equal to 2 upon pi integral 0 to pi x dx. By integrating a0 equal to 2 upon pi, here integration of x, that is x square by 2, and limit are 0 to pi. Putting the limits a0 equal to 2 upon pi into bracket pi square by 2 minus 0. Here the 2 at numerator and denominator are cancelled, and from pi square by pi only pi remains, and therefore a0 equal to pi. Now an equal to 1 upon pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. Here f of x and cos nx both are even, and therefore product also even, and therefore it can be written as an equal to 2 upon pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. In our problem, f of x equal to x, and therefore a0 equal to 2 upon pi integral 0 to pi x cos nx dx. For the integration of this expression, we here apply integration by parts formula, which is integration uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 plus so on, where u dash is the differentiation of u, that is u dash equal to du by dx, and u double dash equal to du dash by dx, etc. And v1 is the integration of v, that is v1 equal to integral v dx, and v2 equal to integral v1 dx, etc. Here we need only two terms, that is integral uv dx equal to uv1 minus u dash v2. In our formula, u equal to x and v equal to cos nx. Therefore, integral 0 to pi x cos nx equal to x sin nx upon n 0 to pi minus 1 into minus cos nx upon n square limit 0 to pi. Here u, that is x, so here we put x, v1, that is integration of cos nx, so here we put sin nx upon n and limit 0 to pi, minus u dash, that is differentiation of x, so which is 1, so here we put 1 into bracket v2, that is integration of v1, that is here sin nx upon n. So integration of sin nx upon n, that is minus cos nx upon n square, and with limit 0 to pi. Therefore, an equal to, putting the limit of integration pi and 0, we have an equal to 2 upon pi into bracket pi sin n pi minus 0 upon n plus cos n pi minus cos 0 upon n square. Since sin n pi for any n equal to 0, therefore this term becomes 0, and cos 0 equal to 1. Therefore we can write an equal to 2 upon pi into bracket cos n pi minus 1 upon n square. For n even, cos n pi equal to 1, and therefore cos pi minus 1 equal to 1 minus 1, that is 0, and therefore an equal to 0 for n even. And for n equal to odd, cos n pi equal to minus 1, and therefore cos n pi minus 1 equal to minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2, and therefore an equal to minus 4 upon pi n square for n odd. And now Fourier series is f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Putting the value of coefficients, we have f of x equal to pi by 2 plus summation n equal to odd minus 4 upon pi n square cos nx. We take minus 4 upon pi outside the summation. Therefore, here pi by 2 minus 4 upon pi summation n equal to odd cos nx upon n square. Series is written in expanded form as f of x equal to pi by 2 minus 4 upon pi into bracket. Here we will put n equal to 1, 3, 5, so on. Therefore, we obtain the terms cos x plus cos 3x upon 3 square plus cos 5x upon 5 square plus so on. This is the Fourier series of a triangular wave function. In next video, we will study about Fourier series of a sawtooth wave functions. Please write your suggestion in comment box. Like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel School of Physics. Thanks.